Excuse me, hello. Is this seat number 42?
Hi, yes, it is. The seat next to the window is number 42.
Oh, great, thank you very much. Let me just put my heavy luggage under the seat.
Take your time. The train is not moving yet.
Phew, I made it. The station was very crowded today. I ran to catch the train. I am Tom, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I am Sarah. You can relax now. We are starting to move.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Yes, I can finally breathe. Are you traveling all the way to Ahmedabad?
Yes, I am going to Ahmedabad. I live there. I am going back home after visiting my family in Surat. What about you?
I am also going to Ahmedabad, but I do not live there. I am just visiting for a few days for work.
So, a work trip. What kind of work do you do?
I work for a software company. I have some important meetings tomorrow. After my meetings, I want to see the city and relax.
That sounds busy but fun. Ahmedabad is a great city. There are many nice places to eat and beautiful places to visit.
I am very excited. Do you mind if I look out the window? You have a great view from your seat.
I do not mind at all. I love looking out the window, but we can share the view. The scenery is very beautiful today. Look at those green trees and small villages.
Yes, it is very beautiful. The weather is also very nice today. It is sunny but not too hot.
Exactly. I love traveling by train when the weather is good. It is very relaxing. I like it much better than traveling by bus.
I agree completely. On a train, the seats are bigger and you can stand up and walk around if you feel tired.
Yes, and you can buy hot tea. Look, the tea vendor is coming down the aisle.
Chai, chai, got 'em, chai!
Oh, I would love a cup of tea. Can I buy you a cup, Sarah?
That is very kind of you, Tom. Yes, I would love a cup of tea, thank you.
2 cups of hot tea, please. Here you go, Sarah. Be careful, it is very hot.
Thank you, I brought some biscuits from home. Would you like some to eat with your tea?
Yes, please, I love biscuits. Thank you for sharing.
You are welcome. So, Tom, what do you usually do on a long train journey? Our trip will take about 3 hours.
I usually read a book or listen to quiet music. Sometimes I bring my laptop and do a little bit of work. What do you do?
I also like to read. Today, I brought a magazine. But mostly, I enjoy looking out the window and listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like slow, acoustic music. It makes me feel calm. What about your free time? When you are not working or traveling, what are your hobbies?
Well, I really enjoy photography. I like taking pictures of nature and people. I hope to take some good photos in Ahmedabad.
That is a wonderful hobby. You will find many beautiful things to photograph in the city. I like painting. Sometimes I paint the scenery I see from the train.
That is amazing. We both like art. It is nice to meet interesting people on the train. It makes the time pass much faster.
Yes, it does. Oh, look at the time. We are already getting close to the station.
Wow, that was fast. The 3 hours went by very quickly. Let me check my pocket for my ticket just in case. Yes, I have it.
Me too. Let's start packing our bags. We will arrive in 10 minutes.
It was really nice talking to you, Sarah. Thank you for the biscuits and the good conversation.
It was nice talking to you too, Tom. I hope you have a great time at your meetings and take some beautiful photos.
Thank you. Have a safe trip back home.